For today's classroom, we're going to be doing some sequencing, which means we're going to be putting pictures in order from when they happened first, next, and last. Today, we're only going to be working with 3 pictures, so we have a beginning, a middle, and an end. You have on your screen a setup of 1, 2, 3 box with arrows showing what happens next. You have 3 pictures on the bottom to choose from. All of these pictures, you can click on them, so it has those blue boxes around them, and then you can drag them up to which number you think. So if I'm looking at these 3 pictures below, which one would happen first? The one right here. So I'm going to click and drag that up to number 1. Then I'm going to think what would happen after that. What would happen in the middle of the picture story? Well, this one would happen next, so I click and drag it up to number 2. And then I'm going to see, is my last picture really what happened last? And yes, it is, so I'm going to pull it up to number 3. Easy as that. Then we have a picture story that makes sense. Let's do one more together. So I have a boy trying to blow up a balloon. I look at my 3 pictures and I decide which one comes first. I know that this one comes first, so I'm going to click and drag him up to number 1. Then what would come next after that? This one or this one? It would be this one, so I'm going to pull it up to number 2. And then my last picture should be the one that I have left. Now make sure it does make sense. Otherwise, you can rearrange them. There are 20 of these to practice with, so once you're done, this is the last slide, then you can turn it in to your teacher.